And the screw that's having an issue with right up in there, didn't have any room to actually get it out. So we have some problem getting it in. Right in this corner. Up there in that corner. Right in that corner right there. Had a hard time getting that one out. We have a giant dent here. I didn't see anything leaking the other day, but there's a giant dent here in this pan. Wow, I didn't see that. Facing the same side the drain plug is on. Giant dent. Okay, we got the pan off, and another reason why this was leaking, there was no gasket. Apparently, they made their own. Looked like we're gonna have to do the same because the gasket that was purchased for this did not fit or does not fit. This is what was purchased, and this gasket is way too long. And it looks longer than the oil pan itself. As you can see, the oil pan and the gasket, I mean, no way. We're going to make a gasket out of this plastic sheeting. I'm going to coat it with the gasket maker. Here I'm cutting out the shape by hand with a pair of scissors. I'm going to drill the holes in there and take it from there. We're going to get that cleaned off and take it from there. Get the bottom cleaned up and take it from there. I'm going to be using this the Right Stuff gasket maker 90-minute return to service gasket maker black. The Right Stuff. Okay, I got my gasket maker spread it around on my DIY gasket. Okay, here I'm beginning to stick the bolts through so this won't move around. Let's kind of run around and stuck some in. Got the top coated. I'm going to put some more on there. We got the whole thing covered now. Okay, we got the bottom, with the top of the, the bottom of the engine coated here. And we're going to slowly put this pan back on and let it sit and see what happens. Okay, we're getting the oil pan back on here and getting the bolts back in. Let's see what happens.